Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Welcome back, safety-conscious drivers, to part 2. In our previous episode, we explored the importance of having a fire extinguisher, and now in part 2 we're diving into the specifics, types of fire extinguishers, proper usage and maintenance tips. Hit that subscribe button, equip yourself with knowledge, and let's continue this empowering journey to make your travels safer with essential car safety equipment. Recommendations from safety experts. In addition to adhering to legal requirements, safety experts strongly recommend the inclusion of fire extinguishers in vehicles as a proactive safety measure. In the event of a vehicle fire, having a readily accessible fire extinguisher can make a critical difference in containing the fire and preventing further damage or injury. Moreover, safety experts emphasize the importance of selecting a fire extinguisher that is suitable for the specific type of fire that may occur in a vehicle. Considering factors such as the size of the vehicle, potential fire hazards, and individual driving habits can help car owners choose the most effective fire extinguisher for their needs. Ultimately, following both the legal regulations and safety recommendations regarding car fire extinguishers is essential for promoting a safe driving environment and being prepared for unforeseen emergencies on the road. Selecting the right car fire extinguisher. When it comes to selecting the right car fire extinguisher, there are several essential factors to consider. These factors include the size of the extinguisher, the type of fires it can combat, and its compatibility with different types of fires. Factors to consider when choosing a car fire extinguisher. Size. The size of the fire extinguisher is a crucial consideration. Larger vehicles might require a larger-sized extinguisher to effectively combat a fire. However, it's important to strike a balance, as the extinguisher should also be easily manageable in a vehicle environment. Consideration of available space for storage is also important. Different types of fires require different extinguishing agents. It's important to choose a fire extinguisher that is suitable for the types of fires most likely to occur in a vehicle. For example, a Class A extinguisher is designed for ordinary combustibles such as cloth, wood and paper, while a Class B extinguisher is designed for flammable liquid fires. Compatibility. It's essential to ensure that the chosen fire extinguisher is compatible with the potential fire risks in a vehicle. This means understanding the types of materials and substances that are present in the vehicle and selecting an extinguisher that can effectively combat fires involving these materials. When considering these factors, it's critical to consult with firefighting professionals or refer to national safety standards to ensure the selected fire extinguisher meets the requirements for vehicle use. Selecting the right car fire extinguisher involves thoughtful consideration of size, type, and compatibility with different fire classifications. By carefully evaluating these factors, vehicle owners can better ensure the safety and protection of themselves and their passengers in the event of a fire emergency. Maintenance and training. Car fire extinguishers are undoubtedly crucial in emergencies, but their effectiveness heavily relies on proper maintenance and the user's proficiency in deploying them. Here's a breakdown of how to maintain and effectively train for the use of car fire extinguishers. Proper maintenance of car fire extinguishers. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure that a car fire extinguisher is fully functional when it's needed most. Here's a simple guide to maintaining these life-saving devices. 1. Inspection. Periodically examine the fire extinguisher for any signs of damage, such as dents or corrosion. Additionally, check the pressure gauge to ensure that the extinguisher is at the recommended pressure level. 2. Servicing. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for professional servicing at the recommended intervals. This typically involves a thorough examination and testing to verify the extinguisher's operational status. 3. Recharging. If the pressure gauge indicates that the extinguisher has been used or has lost pressure, it needs to be recharged immediately by a certified professional. Always keep an eye on the expiration date and replace the extinguisher as necessary. Training for effective use of car fire extinguishers. Simply having a car fire extinguisher is not enough. Proper training on its use is essential for effective deployment during an emergency. Consider the following training tips. Familiarization. Before an emergency arises, take the time to familiarize yourself with the operation of the fire extinguisher. Understand the type of extinguisher you have and the types of fires it can effectively combat. Regularly practice using the extinguisher in a controlled environment. This hands-on experience will build confidence and muscle memory, making it easier to respond effectively in a high-stress situation. Seek professional guidance. Consider undergoing formal training or seeking advice from fire safety professionals to understand the best techniques for using a fire extinguisher. By ensuring proper maintenance and receiving adequate training, you can significantly increase the chances of effectively combating a car fire. In conclusion, having a car fire extinguisher is a crucial safety measure that every vehicle owner should prioritize. It can mean the difference between a small incident and a catastrophic car fire. By having a fire extinguisher on hand, you are not only protecting your vehicle, but also the lives of those inside it. Car fire extinguishers are easy to use and can swiftly extinguish a small fire before it escalates. In the event of a car fire, every second counts, and having a fire extinguisher readily available can make a significant impact. Don't wait for a potential emergency to strike. Take proactive steps to ensure the safety of your vehicle and passengers by investing in a quality car fire extinguisher. Your preparedness could truly be a lifesaver on the road. As we conclude our two-part series on car fire extinguishers, we hope the detailed insights into types, usage, and maintenance tips become valuable tools in your commitment to road safety. May your journeys be secure and worry-free with the proper knowledge and equipment. Until next time, drive safely and be prepared for any road adventure. Take care. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.